What's up guys? I'm back. How you going? Yeah, good, thanks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of these really bad, dry, chapped lips. Take a look at this. Sorry about my pimples down here, but look how bad that is. We're going to turn these dry, chapped, disgusting lips into beautiful, luscious, juicy lips at home. Stay tuned. Now, before we begin, I'm just going to show you how dry my lips actually are with the skin. Okay, it is winter here in Melbourne and I have been drinking a lot of water, but with all the lip balms that I've been using, it just ain't working, honey. It just ain't working. Every time I wake up, I'm waking up with all of this dry skin on my lips. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to attempt to pull off all the little dry leftover skin. Oh. Oh. As you can see, my lips are so dry, they've even started bleeding. Oh my gosh. Okay, for this DIY tutorial, you will need toothpaste, honey, and a clean new toothbrush. You will also need a lip balm. Now I've got this one, it's called Dermal Therapy. It's Australian made and owned. I got this from Priceline. And yeah, we're going to put all this together and see what the outcome is. All right, so I'm going to open the toothpaste and I'm just going to put a little bit here, like so. Then I'm going to put some honey and mix them together. Now, I suppose the toothpaste is meant to clean off all that dead skin. The honey is going to give your lips nourishment. And then we're going to literally brush off all of that skin. Ugh. Okay, let's do it. Put this inside here. Ugh. Okay, so I've been brushing pretty vigorously for the past 2 minutes. Now that is really starting to sting because I pulled off all that skin before and I'm actually bleeding on my lips. So I've scrubbed for 2 minutes. Let's see how this pans out. I'm going to go wash this off. Tastes exactly like toothpaste and honey. Let's wash this off and come back. I'll be back. Right, so I have just washed it off just using water and I just towel dried it. Now immediately I do feel that it's basically exfoliated my lips. It does feel a lot softer to the touch. But I can see where like my lips been bleeding. Yeah, that's kind of unavoidable. So now we're going to move to the lip balm to give it the nourishment that it needs and the hydration, darling. Now let me introduce this product here. This is called Dermal Therapy Lip Balm and I got it in Priceline for a whopping $6, 6 Australian dollars, which is not a lot of money. It is Australian made and owned, so you know, I'm happy about that. Now it says for severely dry and chapped lips. Ultra moisturizing, visible results in 1 day. Okay, so let's turn it around and see how this works. It says Dermal Therapy Lip Balm is a concentrated formula containing a synergistic blend of ingredients designed to soften and hydrate severely dry and chapped lips, keeping them smooth and healthy. That's what I need. Now, directions. Apply liberally to affected area 3 to 4 times daily or as required. Suitable for adults and children over 3. Well, that's good because my girls get very, very chapped lips as well. And we've got one little testimonial quote here in the corner in exclamation marks. It says, I get very dry lips no matter the weather. They are always peeling and cracking. I've tried everything that claimed to help, but nothing ever worked. This product completely changed my lips and my life. And now they're amazingly soft and hydrated. From JW Australia. All right, so let's open up this thing and let's get started. So it just opens up like this. Let's pull this out. And here we go. So we've got 10 grams of product in here and this is it. Just comes out. So let's put this on. Okay, now I've put on a liberal amount, as it said. I'm going to give it 5 minutes just to seep in there. And then I'm going to come back to you and give you my final thoughts. All right, welcome back. Well, I have to say I am very, very pleased with the condition of my new lips. What do you think? Have to say that it's kind of, the consistency is just definitely like Vaseline. And it smells a little bit like Vicks, but they feel hydrated. They look a lot better. And if it weren't for this, me picking that off, then that would probably look good as well. But they look a lot plumper as well, I have to say. And it's probably something in the ingredients. I think I was trying to have a look before what the ingredients is, but like, I'm not really sure, but I think there's something in there to make them look a little bit plumper, but they feel so good and they will look so much better when I do my lip swatch tutorials. So my final thoughts are, it's a yeah for me. I highly do recommend this product. If you got dry, chapped, dehydrated lips like me, then definitely go out and give this product a try. Dermal Lip Therapy by Dermal Lip Therapy. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, sound off in the comments below. I will see if I can help you. Thank you. Mwah. Bye-bye.